Hey Los Angeles, Clark here in Lake Balboa. We're right by the park and close to the Orange Line busway and bike lane. Let's go see this amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with pool. This home features original hardwood floors and dual-pane windows throughout. And the master features an ensuite bath. The spacious living room features a cozy fireplace and French doors to the covered patio and backyard. The covered patio is perfect for entertaining. The backyard features plenty of grass and this beautiful, sparkling pool. Call me today if you'd like a private tour.